Okay, y'all, day number 2. Hopefully we get a decent amount done today. It's probably about 5:30, and I think I got enough materials and stuff to get this all done. We're gonna put some work in, we're gonna grind, see if we can get it done today. Let's ride. Let's go. Dirt on everything. All right, so what I'm doing is I'm marking where this 2x4 would go, and I'm marking that because I want to know exactly what flush is with this post right here. And I'm putting a little 2x2 all the way down the pole, similar to that one. So see if we can get this done. Makes it a little easier when you mark stuff. All right, y'all, I had to put another shirt on top of my shirt. These mosquitoes out here ain't playing, boy, I'm trying to tell you. But so far I got about half of it done. So that side over there got a fence on it. I did this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and I'm working on these right here. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4 more to go. Boy, we grinding it out. We are grinding it out. I had to go get another battery. When you run out of battery in your drill, you putting that work in. Let's go. All right, y'all. Day number 3. I've been working like 2.5, 3 hours, right after work for like 3 days. So, got the cart out for the saw. Now today I'm finna finish this up. Finish that one up. And I'm about to put the fencing on here. And I'm also about to do these holes and put concrete in them and stuff. So let's go. Let's get this thing done, man. It's been long enough. Let's do it. All right, y'all, I got a pretty decent amount of concrete in each one of these. These are gonna get a lot more extra concrete because the gate is going to go right here. So those are gonna get an extra amount of concrete because they're gonna always be getting moved and stuff. Concrete in that one. 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 We pretty much good, man. Now, let's finish this one section up and beat the rain because it's coming. All right, so I measured a little bit of fencing out and I measured it to fit. So I'm about to literally use this little cheap stapler, staple it in there and try my best to stretch it out to where it's not like all bendy and like ugly. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, this is much easier having someone help you keep it tight. Cause like this is the one that I had help on, and this wavy nonsense is the one that I tried to do myself on the first day. So I'm gonna redo this one. I can keep the same fence, I just gotta pluck all these old staples out because that was a trial and error experience. So I'm gonna redo that one. This one's nice. And I figured another tip out. So you see the way this thing is unrolling, you wanna put it against your fence the opposite way, so where it's like rolling into the fence. It helps. I don't know really why, but it helps. I swear to God, it helps. So whenever you get your measurement cut, unroll it and take it to the section and put it on there opposite to where it's like rolling into the fence. For some reason, it goes on a lot easier and it's a lot smoother when you do it that way. All right, so this is what I mean when I say have it roll into the fence. I'm gonna show y'all because I know it probably was confusing if I said it. Bear with me, I'm trying to record this by myself. So You see the way it wants to roll into the fence? This way is easier than, let's say, let me show you the example. The first one I tried to do, I had the fencing going on there this way. I mean, y'all probably could know that, but I did not know that. So I'm gonna just tell y'all the tip right now. When you're dealing with this flimsy kind of, it's not super flimsy, it's really strong, but it likes to roll because it's been in a roll on the shelf all the time. This way, no good, because it comes away from the fence. You want to make it go into the fence because it is going to be a lot easier for you to manage that and pull it if you're doing it yourself. So yeah, tip for y'all right there. All right, y'all, this bad boy is fenced in completely. There you go, man. Fence is complete. I just gotta add the gate. All right, we're gonna see if y'all can I don't know where, y'all. I've been trying to get away from this whole chesty mount thing, because my chesty mount gets me the worst angles. So they're gonna put it right there and hope for the best, y'all. Really, I got it laid out somewhat how it's gonna be. Now it's just time to plug and play. Pretty much. Let's see. I'm using these little screws that I got. They're like 5 inches long. I shouldn't be using these 5-inch long screws, but they're pretty much the last screws I got remaining. So let's see. Preferably you want to do this on a flat ground, honestly, but we're not going for it. We're gonna do it right where we're at. That's it, man. Pretty much got it set. It's gonna be a gate. So let's see how this is gonna go in there. I made it a little shorter than what it's supposed to be, just because it's a gate and it's gonna be closing. But yeah, man, so far it can work. All right, first step says position hinge strap 4 inches from top and bottom of gate with hinge barrel overhanging edge of gate directly over gate frame. Strap pad must be completely on post shown as 2. Okay, cool. Mark screw locations. 3 drilled 732 pilot holes. Fasten hinge straps. Okay. Let me go get my 732 drill bit, and I'll be right back with y'all, man. Let's go. We're gonna follow the instructions the way they supposed to be followed. Let's try to follow directions. All right, y'all, so I had to redo this. I forgot that I need to prop this fence up on something and not have it directly on the ground. So now I'm redoing it, and I remarked where I need to have these hinges and stuff on here. So now I gotta do this again. So do it the right way the first time. You won't be doing it again like me. It's just trial and error though. It's my first time doing a gate thing, so. All right, you guys, we are complete with the fence build. All this stuff is pretty much good to go. I got a lot of spicing up to do. Like, I'm gonna put some landscape rocks up front there to make it spice it up a little bit, and I gotta clean all this trash up out of here, but of course, because I've been working all in here. But this is really the finished product right here, Doug. We pretty decent with it. I like the way it turned out, and this is all not having to hire nobody. This is all doing it yourself, bro. So you can't be mad at that. The more you do things, the better you'll get at them, the faster you'll get at them. I'm a beginner a little bit, so it took me longer than what someone who's a pro would do, but I still am not ashamed of these results right here. It's exactly what I kind of expected it to be, so you can't be mad at that. But if y'all haven't subscribed already, hit that subscribe button. Like I said earlier, hit that sub button, man. Like the video and stay tuned, man. We got a lot of stuff coming. Fishing, do-it-yourself stuff, a bunch of stuff, man. Who knows, man? This channel be everything. Why you gotta have you don't have to have a set genre for a YouTube channel. You can post what you want to post, and that's kind of what I'm doing for this channel. So can't always fish, but I can't always come home, and when I'm home I got some stuff to show y'all. So that's it, y'all. This your boy Mr. Always Fishing. Peace.